Hi guys, it's officially spring. The weather is so lovely nowadays, so I decided to do a makeup look for spring. I also dyed my hair to switch it up, so I've updated my makeup palettes to suit me better. I'm so excited to share this makeup tutorial with you guys, so without further ado, let's get started. My biggest concern when I do my makeup is covering up my dark under eye circles because it makes a huge difference in whether my complexion looks healthy or not. So I always make sure to correct my dark under eye circles with a peachy or pink tinted corrector. And for those of you who can't understand color correcting, I'm uploading a video about it soon, so stay tuned for that. Now moving on to this brand new skin tint by Fenty. This is not something we would refer to as foundation, but more of a skin tint, which means it is better suited for evening out your skin tone in a natural way. You are supposed to apply with your fingers, so the application is quick and easy. Once you applied it, as you can see here, it looks very natural. And it is not something cakey or heavy. My skin can still breathe and looks better, which I love about. But it still can't cover my blemishes or spots, so I'm going in with a high coverage concealer for a touch-up. I'm focusing on the area I want to cover with a small concealer brush. And then blend the edges with my fingertips or brush. As I'm doing a more colorful eye look today, I'm going to use an eyeshadow primer to prepare my canvas. It also helps to keep your eye makeup look from creasing and smudging all day, so I'm going to apply all over my lids as well as along my lower lash lines. For my eye makeup look, I'm going to play with peachy tone shades. First, I'm going to start with light peach brown shade all over my lids using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. To deepen the look, I'm going to take this reddish brown shade and apply to the outer of my eyes. I'm not going to use any eyeliner today. Instead, I will add dimension to this look with a darker shade of an eyeshadow. To pull off the peachy look, I'm going to put this light peach shade around the inner corner of my eyes. You can see that it instantly brightened the look. And I'm going to tightline with dark brown eyeliner. But this is actually a brow pencil because I found that it appears more natural and blends better than conventional eyeliners. So I've been using this as an eyeliner lately. For mascara, I'm going to use a volumizing mascara for upper lashes. And for lower lashes, I'm going to use this lengthening mascara and apply all over my lower lashes precisely. When I dye my hair color, I also bleach my brows a little bit as well to match the color. For today's look, I don't want to bring heavy attention to my brows today, just the eyeshadow. First, I'm going to take a light brown eyeshadow and fill in my brows roughly. And then taking a light to medium brown eyebrow pencil, I'm going to draw some fake brow hairs more precisely. There are some parts of my brows that are fuller than in other areas, so I'm going to even out the entire brow color and shape with color brow gel. To add warmth to my complexions, I'm going to put some bronzer. But I'm choosing a shade that is not too orangey or yellow, but rather with a neutral finish to blend with my natural skin tone. Since I'm going for a fresh spring look, I'm going to add in this peachy blossom colored blush to apples on my cheeks. Once I finish adding this pop of color, I'm going to go ahead and add some highlights on the top of my cheekbones and a little bit on my nose. To match my peach inspired look, I'm going to be using this Nudies Peach Matte Lip Liner. Once I draw up my lines, I'm going to get rid of any harsh lines by blending with my fingers. And done! This is my finished peachy makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy. If you follow this makeup tutorial, please tag me on Instagram so I can find you. Thank you so much for watching today. I will see you in the next one. Bye!